Welcome to M365 Professional. Need to close your Microsoft account? Here's the right way to do it. Go to aka.ms/closeaccounts. Sign into your Microsoft account. Take a moment to review the list. It's important you take care of these things before you mark your account for closure. You might also need to cancel your monthly subscriptions, including shared subscriptions. Cancel any annual subscriptions you've purchased within the last 30 days, and save a copy of any OneDrive files, contacts, and Outlook.com email that you want to keep. You will lose these after your account is closed. Once you're ready, select Next. Review and select each checkbox to mark your account for closure. If you change your mind, you can reopen your account within 60 days. You just need to sign in. This 60-day window is to make sure that it's you trying to close your account and that you haven't left anything behind. Signing in will stop your account from closing. If you still want to close your account after you've signed in, you'll have to start the process over again. Choose the reason you're closing your account, then select Mark Account for closure. That's it. After the date shown, your account will be permanently deleted. Once closed, you won't be able to sign into your devices. With that Microsoft account, you might want to consider setting up your devices with a different Microsoft account, so you can still sign in. 1. Need more help? Go to support.microsoft.com/account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.